Hi guys, and welcome back. It is sunny in Singapore today. We have been battling the weather here. It's been raining almost every day, even if it's just for a snippet of the day. But today it is nice and sunny. We have an errand to run and something off my bucket list to check off. So you guys will have to come along and see what that is. Every time we go into the malls in Southeast Asia, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, they are absolutely awesome. They are super clean and just like futuristic almost. We are stopping at a kebab place for lunch. And like when we were in Thailand for 8 months, and kebabs were like my go-to food because they were like 60 to 80 baht, which is like a couple dollars. And absolutely love my kebabs. Well, that was way easier than we thought. And it wasn't even at the store we were looking for, so perfect, it was on sale. External hard drive, 5 terabyte. Little detour. Jay had to stop at the DJI store. We aren't gonna buy anything though. Joni Mitchell is still kicking, so we are keeping her as long as we can. We're gonna use this camera lens until it craps out too. All right, I think we are heading out of the mall. We are gonna go downtown and we're gonna hit the Cloud Dome and the flower, what's it called? Flower Forest? No, the Cloud Forest and the Flower Dome, that's what it's called. I always get those two mixed up. So off we go. We just gotta find our way out of here. So just as Jay and I were coming out of the mall, we saw this thing on the ground. It's like a pathway for bicycles in the mall. I've never seen that before. So far, this has turned out to be an awesome day weather-wise. It is an overcast day, so the sun is not beaming and it's not raining. So it's the beautiful mix of both. It just reminded me, I walked by a bicycle here and they do have rent-a-bikes, like the beam scooters that Jay and I rode when we were in Kuala Lumpur. They don't have the beam scooters here, but they do have bicycles that you can rent by just scanning a barcode on them. So that's kind of nice. If you have no way of transportation or don't want to use the bus, you can just scan one of those and away you go.
Yeah, okay. I'll find it. You come. Yeah. Okay. Come. Sini Pak. Ini mau saya penting. Ya.
When we're walking through Singapore, I almost feel like I'm on a movie set because there's so many different types of architecture here. You have the really, really old buildings and then the high skyscrapers. Man. So we made it to the famous Merlion, so here it is. Just kidding. This is the actual real iconic Merlion of Singapore. So we just crossed Raffles Ave and we are headed to the Singapore Flyer. Kind of look like a big Ferris wheel with little time capsules all over it. And it says, explore the time capsule. So we're just here by the water and you can see the beautiful bridge behind me. And across the water are the super trees and we're headed over to those domes over there. I'm looking forward to that. I'm so excited. It is so pretty. Everywhere you look, there's something to look at. It's just started to spit too, so it'll be nice to head into the dome out of the rain if it starts to pour. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there's a monitor lizard on the edge of the water, and he's got a fish that's probably almost the size as he is. And I've been sitting here watching him for a while. It's pretty amazing to watch. Okay, now that we are done watching the monitor lizards, we are headed across the water to go to the cloud forest and the flower dome. How could you walk by the active playground and not stop and play an instrument or two? So as you enter the cloud forest, the waterfall is right there, and it's the highest indoor waterfall in the world. And it is spectacular. Right now they have an avatar installation that is going to be happening a little bit later in the month. I think maybe next week or just into September. So they're setting up for that, and you can hear all of the like mystical kind of avatar creatures on speaker here. And they have little characters throughout this whole area as well. Okay, so this isn't just a little installation. Like everywhere you look is like avatar, and there's like motion sensors. Like if you walk by like the plants, they have like little bush shakers. It is so cool. And then they have like little speakers, like you can't see them, but you can hear like little growl sounds and like little avatar noises. It is crazy. It's pretty mystical sounding in here. But they're everywhere. They're hanging from the ceiling. Stunning. We just took the elevator to the Lost World. We went 6 floors up. Now we are going to do the climb and see it from above. So when Jay and I came here, you could either queue up or scan a QR code and just buy tickets and then just go right in. So we ended up just doing that because it was easier. There was quite a bit of a lineup. So it cost 28 Singaporean dollars for each of us to come in here and check it out. And it's totally worth it, absolutely worth it. And you get the Cloud Forest and the Flower Dome. So we are done at the Cloud Forest and now we're headed over to the Flower Dome. Jay just says it smells like grandma's garden. As soon as you walk in here, you get the waft, the smell of the flowers. Wow. I didn't expect it to be cold in here. I expected it to feel like a greenhouse, so like a little bit hot and humid, but nope, it's cool in here. Wow. We are gonna tour around so many plants and flowers. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, nice.
Smells like going to Colasantes.
Yeah. Yeah.
An audio tour.
We just entered Cactus World. Unbelievable. So looking through the dome at the sky, it literally looks black and looks very angry. Jay and I are going to exit the dome and try and get back home before it pours on us. Yeah. Oh, you can even see Marina Bay Sands just right up there. Wow. Unbelievable. We can't find our way out of here. I don't know if they have some of the areas blocked off because of the wedding and they're taking photos. I have no idea, but we can't seem to find the exit. Alrighty, so we are on the bus, headed home. We started off the day without any rain, and then it torrential downpoured on us at the very, very end. We were to slip in and get something to eat, and then it just started to sprinkle a little bit, so we're able to get not too wet. So now we're on our way home. But I am glad you guys came along with us. We are so happy that we actually went out today and explored, and I'm happy to check something off my bucket list. And if you guys get a chance to go check out that Avatar installation, I think it's gonna be awesome. And don't forget, before you go, to hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below what you liked in the video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button because there's lots more to come. See you in the next one, guys. Bye!